Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing in with an administrator account so you can remove all Office components. Make sure to back up templates, Outlook signatures, and any saved activation or product keys. Once done, close all Office apps. Next, download the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant and the Office offline installer matching your license. Run the support tool to detect installations. Follow prompts to begin uninstall. You're initiating removal deliberately to avoid leftover files that block reinstall. So stay in admin mode until the tool finishes. Once the support tool completes basic removal, you need to check for residual components. Open File Explorer and delete Office folders and program files x86, and %appdata%. Do this while signed in as admin. Then, optionally export and inspect registry keys under HKLM/software and HKCU/software for Microsoft /Office. Delete only Office-specific keys if you're comfortable. Make sure to reboot after file and registry cleanup so Windows releases locks and updates installed components. This ensures a clean slate for reinstall. You now reinstall. Run the offline installer or download via your Microsoft account and launch as administrator to avoid permission errors. Install, then sign in or enter your product key to activate. Make sure Windows date, time, and region are correct because activation checks those. If activation or app launch fails, run an Office repair from Programs and Features, disable proxy or VPN temporarily, and reboot. If a problem persists, use the support tool's diagnostic logs to identify stuck services or leftover files blocking activation. This single tip resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.